Oh my God. Dang. So much for a nice clean floor. We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do.
So in the previous episode, we tore off all the shingles and we went ahead and tarped it because it was rain coming. I ended up spraining my back, and this phone call got me out of recovery mode. So we actually got a call in the middle of the night saying the smoke detector went off. When we came out to check, because they sent the fire department out, well, nobody here, but I opened up the inside, and this is what I see.
Wow.
Dog, soaking wet. So the tarp then blew off the roof, and now the house full of water. Really like a crime scene. Yeah, that's a lot of water, for real. But I ain't tripping. Some people get to this step and want to give up. Still ain't giving up. This ain't nothing. This dry. Sure, we didn't power wash the whole house, so this ain't nothing. Put a little bit more water on the floor. Need to come through and mop it up. And actually keep the dust down too, sure. I'm pretty sure all the dust thing got washed down, so that's good. But we could clean up all this stuff, mop this stuff up, get it cleaned, and it is what it is. So let's start pulling this tarp up here. This whole tarp that blew off is over here on this side. So now we gotta flip this somehow. I'm gonna grab it probably from here and go up on the roof and pull it over. I'm gonna grab that tarp from there, pull it on up and over. I forgot the nails. And that boy ripped right out of there. Heavy duty tarp, my ass tray.
The freaking tarp that was being put up there to prevent the rain from getting inside this freaking old wood decided to blow off. Yeah, because our weather is our weather. And 1 minute it's nice and sunny, and next minute it's cold and rainy. Anyway, Bay is up there putting the tarp back. I was planning to help them, but I was on hold and they decided to pick up soon as we got to the property. Oh my God. So now what? Now look at that. Looks like he done found a way to put a rope up there. This is what happens when you start the roofing process in the midst of it being about to rain. You have to figure out a way to protect the raggediness. So the inside of the house is soaked just like it was when we power washed it. So now it's a second power wash job, y'all. You want me to take the ladder over there?
No.
Oh my God, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Spider-Man better be careful or I'm gonna knock him out. No, he's on the roof doing stuff. Spider-Man, he likes to climb. Look out, that's my man. You found one nail?
Think I you?
You got all reliable up there, babe?
Yep.
If all else fails, your good old hammer don't got batteries. And there's usually always one somewhere to be found.
I know you ain't up there without that thing holding you.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Let me see your leaf boat.
I know what.
You okay?
There's no rain in his heart.
The freaking tarp came off again. We just gonna try to reposition the stuff, move it over in one corner, cover it with a tarp until we can get it figured out, like who gonna do the roof, what's gonna have to be done. The freaking wood is dang near getting ruined, and we do not want this big piece to freaking end up bowing. Damn, look at the poor air compressor. Even our poor boards then got wet. I was telling Bae, like, one thing I don't gotta worry about since it done got drenched in here is him talking about, it's dusty. Wear your mask.
I want to be breathing that in. But it's good. Even when y'all sweeping the dusty floor, you spray it with some water, keep the dust down.
Hello.
Still wear a mask though.
Right.
Everything here is super wet, so
Yes, like soaked.
Except in the drop for it. Wet stick. I thought it said wet roof for a minute.
Bae, at this point, we need what?
We need that dehumidifier, get that moisture out, fans running, and dry this boy out.
Right.
I'm about to move this piece of wood because I thought they covered up that hole up there, but they must have been doing something there. This fresh wood this shit ain't cheap.
Welcome to our raggedy yet clean estate.
It's clean. Might not smell clean.
While we were working, the tarp ended up blowing back over, so I feel like that was the universe. Okay, you're back. You in business, because my baby was down for a little bit, but it's cool.
Tarp came down here, so really we just gotta flop it over there and flop it back that way. But I ain't got my ladder, and hopefully the roofers hit us back, because this would be perfect time for them to come through, replace all this wood, and do what they gotta do, because I'm ready to get in here and get it running. It seems like we keep having little obstacles to keep stopping us.
You can think that you got it all planned out perfect, and boom, something happened that just throw everything off track. But one thing for sure to recognize is that it's working though, because it's a test.
I'm ready to do some work. I ain't gonna lie, my back feeling a whole lot better.
It feels good to just be here.
Heck shit, ARTTLife.com. We really appreciate it if you head over to ARTTLife.com, shop the designs, and take a look at all the different designs we have. Reduce, reuse, recycle, assets only, asset, about my family and business, and a whole lot more. We even got limited edition Hoarder House shirts that'll only be available until we done with this house. There's no more.
Of course, the freaking tarp blew off the roof again. We left the ladder. We had to bring the heater. It needed to dry out. So they done made a way. This ladder too short, but he done figured it out. Like, hey, I could just get up there from the short part of the roof versus going to the taller side. What you need?
A hammer, a box of nails.
About to get baited. Belt. Look who came to help.
Here you go. Whoa. Stop right now. Here you go.
Push, push, push. Ooh.
Yeah, you can use the hammer you want.
Good idea. Because you need the hammer and the nails.
Yep.
You got your gloves on?
Can I take a picture?
While I'm here, I'm going to start picking up some of these shingles. Because you see, we got a lot. This stuff is so heavy. The shingles are dang near only at the freaking bottom. And it's heavy as heck. We haven't really had any trash, but we pay taxes to get trash hauled away. So why not get our money's worth and at least be putting a little bit at a time out on the line until we figure out what process we want to do. So what's up, sir?
I got that nail done. I need to do the middle, but I ain't got no long side.
Yeah. It's funny how the season's transitioning, and I feel like in our work life, I feel like we in a winter season.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm about to kick this heater on, try to let this boy dry out and try to suck up some of this water.
What you think I should do?
Go back to school. You gotta go to the bank, so
Oh yeah.
you can go do that. I'm gonna heat this up and then just vacuum.
My baby just recovered. I'm happy you back working, but I would be happier
Well, I ain't
if
gonna.
you stay okay. We ain't even been drinking the dang ginger turmeric like we really should have. I need to keep his phone handy because he already recovering. I don't want him to end up freaking being stuck in one of the holes in there with that floor that was wibbly wobbling.
Be yelling at Siri like, "Hey Siri, call Dave." Siri be like, "Call him Dave." Dave don't answer. Hanging by one leg. Y'all messed up.
Got the big homie. Shout out to the not so much homie.
Right. Finesse me out my money. And I got the heater, but I still want my money. I don't want this heater.
Right. That's sad when somebody tries to make up excuses on why they can't pay you, because guess what? He did not even try to argue about getting his heater back.
All right, so I'm headed out of here. I got the fan on. I had the heater on. It was definitely drying out some spots. There's no more. It is hot.